Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technical Hunter RJ. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Sportzfy on your Android TV using the Downloader app. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. So, let's get started. Before we install Sportzfy, we need to enable installation from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings on your Android TV. Scroll down to Device Preferences, then select Security and Restrictions. Click on Unknown Sources and allow it for the Downloader app. Next, we need the Downloader app to download the Sportzfy APK. Follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Search for Downloader by AFTV News. Click Install and wait for it to complete. Now let's get the Sportzfy app. Open Downloader and click on Allow if prompted. In the URL box, type code 235919 and press Go. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, click on Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, click Open to launch Sportzfy. And that's it. You've successfully installed Sportzfy on your Android TV. Now, you can enjoy live sports, highlights, and much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.